All right, I am going to show you just how easy it is to insert a video into your PowerPoint presentation so that you can then use it for an interactive lesson with your virtual or hybrid class. So there are two ways to do this. The first option I'm going to show is how to insert a video that you already have saved to your computer. So I'm in PowerPoint, brand new presentation. I'm going to select Insert. I'm going to go all the way over here to the right, get the drop down for video, and then select movie from file. And then I'm just going to select a video I have in here. Here's one of my son's social studies project. Now, if you just want to show the video, you can leave it full screen like this. I'm going to size it down here so that if I were using this with my class, I would want my students to have space all around here to be able to type in observations. So you'll see that it will play, right?
4, 8.
And that's how to insert a video that you have saved to your computer. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to insert a video that you might get online. So I have a new slide here, and first I need to go select my video. So here I've already found one for you on YouTube that is a great video that explains the food chain. I'm going to copy that URL. I'm going to go back to my slide, and again I'm going to go to Insert, all the way over to the right to Video. This time I'm going to select Online Movie. And then I'm going to paste the URL, click Insert, and there it is. Once again, I want to put it up here so that my students will have plenty of room to work.
Okay,
And
food
there it
is
goes.
super important. Super important. It's a big...
And that is exactly how simple it is to insert a video into a PowerPoint slide to use with your students.